Hey guys, my name is Fiona Chen.
Hi guys, my name is Su Ting.
We are going to demonstrate jogging technique in jumping, the correct technique followed by the wrong technique.
Alright, jogging. Feet flat at all times. Hold feet flat on the trampoline. Joints, flex, bend, relax. Arms down, engage your core. Body lean forward. Look to the front, focus. And jogging, legs together, single footing, lift it up, opposite. Okay, here it goes. Up, up, up. Toes, point down, relax.
Trunk upright, slightly lean forward. It's a high knee jogging. It's high knee. It's not the very low type of jogging. Okay, so you need to keep your knee higher. So it's a high knee jogging, but we call it jogging in jumping fitness.
Yep.
This is one of our technique. Okay,
Right.
very good. Yes. Okay, and then when you jog, the foot always go back to the center of the trampoline.
The original position.
The original position. Don't go sideways. Don't bounce around. Okay, always go back to the original position that you start off. Always go back. Try to keep your move compact and small. Alright, engage your core, trunk upright, and slightly lean forward, but not too, never bend backwards. Alright, good. So Fan Ting is going to demonstrate the wrong jogging, the things you shouldn't do that we observe in the class.
Yeah. Common mistakes. No core engagement. Arms pumping. Here it goes. Pumping arms. And then legs. Hands to hands. As in not pointing down, not relaxed. Instead of bringing down
Like that.
and relax, flexing up.
It should be naturally pointing down because that's our anatomy. Yeah,
Okay, now I'm flexing.
it's very tiring like that. When the feet are flat like this, it should be pointing down, naturally hanging down.
Yes, pointing down. And then not returning to your original position. Okay? This is not returning to the original.
Okay, you are almost touching the green line. It's dangerous, right? Because you are bouncing off the trampoline, and also not forming a good habit. So always go back to the center of the trampoline, your original position, and need to be in the middle of the trampoline mat.
Yep.
The other thing is can be one they do like same leg, same hand.
Oh, yeah, same hand, same leg. Like this. Give me some time.
Yeah, she's trying to do it. Yeah, okay, don't do this. Show them in front.
Okay.
Okay, you see like that.
Same hand, same leg.
Okay, so why we cannot do that?
Why?
Okay, first it doesn't look good, right? The other thing is when you do same leg, it's like you walk. It's like a walking, right? Jogging is like a walking. You don't walk like that. You don't walk like that, huh? Because when you same hand, same leg, you need to turn your body. So don't do that. We never turn our body. Our body must face forward. Okay, so always opposite leg, opposite hand. Okay, opposite leg, opposite hand, and your hand must chin to the hip. Okay, chin to the hip. Your hand must control. Don't do like no control out or nowhere. A lot of people are doing like that. Very tiring. You are spend your energy in unnecessary places. So don't do that. Yeah. Okay. No same side. If you do not know do not know how to use your hand, opposite leg, you get the leg first. Correct. You always put the hand on waist position and then get your leg first. After a while, then you remember, okay, I need to do opposite hand, opposite leg, opposite hand, opposite leg, because you don't walk like that. You don't walk same hand, same leg, right? Because that is not natural. The other thing is also you turn your body. Okay, so don't do that.